morning. Now she's back in action. More reliable. Time to tackle this job. Get the day started right. A bunch of blocks, a couple bottle jacks, the new used replacement part, and get the old girl running again. Hopefully that tie rod is good. A bit of a slow process, but she's getting there. Got it up out of the dirt, and yeah, just snapped right off at the kingpin. Pulled the wheel off, make things a little easier. Not going to fight the weight of the tire. And pulled the pins out. Everything's good on the spindle. So pull this yoke off really quick, and hopefully have this combine put back together before the dew is off the ground. Took a little more effort than I thought it would. And one of the dowels stayed behind. Gonna have to pull that dowel out of over there or out of over here, because they come with the dowels. Time to slap this wheel back on, torque everything down, and send it on its way. Took a couple hours, but all done, ready to go. Like nothing happened. Slight damage to the body panels, but oh well, that's minor. Windy today. Anyways, I was gonna try and make a nice video, but all the combines decided to go visit Vasily there. It's like a parade to the penalty box. Well, parade to the mechanic. Guess that's what happens when you run junk deer, eh? Anyways, enjoy whatever I got. Billy boy is just hammering those combines out. Get back to work, you. 5 are going, got 1 down. Back in action, baby.
radio loud, windows low, sky painted like a postcard scene, fields of gold and shades of green. Got my girl in the shotgun seat, barefoot dancing to the beat. The world feels big, but it's all just right out here in the open tonight. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah, with the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Bonfire crackling by the lake, tailgate jumping with the bass, stars above like diamonds bright, shining down on this kind of life. We ain't got no fancy things, just guitars and tire swings, but you don't need much to feel this free, with dirt on your boots and good company. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah, with the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Ain't about where you go, it's where you've been. These back roads lead you home again. The simple life is the sweetest tune, underneath the harvest moon. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah, with the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Let that sky stretch far and high, we'll keep running till the day we die. Yeah, the good life's calling, just hoping we stay forever, country wide open.